Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Last week I announced that I was going to do a series on curry called World of Curry, and I was going to produce these videos and put them on this channel. Since then I've had a thought, would cooking curry clash with the cast iron cooking that I'm doing on the channel? So it's you, my audience, my subscribers, that I'm asking, would you prefer a separate channel, i.e. Dutch Cooking, and then a separate channel for World of Curry for the curry cooking, or would you prefer it all combined on one? If you can let me know in the comments below, and we'll see what we come up with. Once again, thank you for all the support.